fruit salad recipe for fruit salad. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy, simple fruit salad and inviting. This is something you can make as an appetizer as you are having friends over. You can make this fruit salad recipe for them, and this is something you can do in a few minutes. It's simple and easy to put together. So let's put everything together and see how it comes out. And welcome to Healthy Living Fita channel by Florence Straga, and we are going to make fruit salad. Our fruit salad recipes in today's video is going to be, we are going to use mango, tangerine, orange. We are going to use strawberry, banana, apple. We have green grapes and red grapes. We are going to add some vanilla yogurt. We're going to use that as well in this recipe. And then we are going to use Cool Whip also in this recipe. And we are going to make this fruit salad in two ways. So what I'm going to do, we are going to use the red grapes, half cup of red grapes. I'm just going to take these off. These are very fresh. You can use frozen strawberry you want, that we are going to use. So we have a cup of the red. I'm going to put it in this bowl. Then we're going to take another one from here. All right, so we have another 1/2 cup of another red grapes. We're going to put it in another bowl. Now we're going to do the green ones. Another 1/2 cup of the green, another 1/2 cup. Put it in there. All right, so we have another 1/2 cup of green grapes. Put it in that one. Now we need strawberry. So we need 1/2 cup of that as well. And then we have 1/2 cup. We're going to put it in this bowl. Then we're going to make another 1/2 cup. Okay, so we have 1/2 cup of strawberry also in that bowl. Now we need orange. We're going to use tangerine. So I'm just going to take this off. Take this off nicely. When you do this, it's going to be smelly on your hand. I'm going to take this out and then I just scrape. Then I'm going to open this in half. For me, I don't like to have anything, so I try to get all that out in half as it is. Split it, all that out. All these little strings are in here too. That is cup, and we are going to put that in here too. Then this one, 1/2 cup as well, and that is done. Now we are going to cut our apple in half. I'm gonna take the cord, put it in half again. Easy for us to take the cord out, and I'm gonna cut this in cubes. Okay, I'm gonna put this in here. If you don't like the skin, you can take the skin out, but it just gives it a color when you leave it on as well, and it's good for you to have this, to eat the skin as well. So now we have 1/2 cup. That's 1/2 cup. We put it in there, and then I'm gonna cut this also. And that is 1/2 cup as well. We put it in this one. Okay, now we have our banana. And I take the banana off, all the strings out. I always scrape my banana, make sure I don't have any strings anywhere. And I'm gonna cut this in half. I am going to cut 1/2 cup of these. That should be enough a cup. 1/2 cup. Put this with this as well. Now we have our mango, and we're gonna cut this, peel the skin off because we don't want the skin in this. You don't want the mango to be too ripe. You want it to be a little solid. Okay, so now that this is nicely peeled off, I'm just gonna cut it sideways. It's also sideways. Careful with your knife because it slips. Okay, now we have 1/2 cup of mango. We put it in here. Then I'm gonna get the rest from here. Then we're gonna shave these. So this is all the mango, and that should be enough. We put that in at that one as well. Okay, now that we are done, okay, I'm going to wash my hands quickly, then we'll start mixing. All right, so here we are. We have our 2 mixed fruit salads that we are going to mix all together. There is one that we are going to add vanilla yogurt and Cool Whip to it, and there is one that we are not going to add anything to it. So this is what I'm using. I'm using Chobana Greek yogurt vanilla. You can either use the original, but that's what I'm using, and I'm just gonna take some and put it in here. It's gonna be 1/2 cup of this. I'm going to pour this in here. So we are using Cool Whip as well, 1/2 cup. All right, so we are going to mix all this together, and we just mix it all, and this is really creamy. All right, and then and put in our cream. So we're gonna put this on here, and then we're just gonna mix it all together, and we're just gonna toss it all in here, mix it all, and look at that. This is yummy delicious. This is our fruit salad recipe. And then this one, we just mix everything together. You don't have to add anything. And look at that. Look at our fruit salad. This is ready as well. And this is ready. So our fruit salad is ready. This is something you can make as a dessert. It can be a dessert. It can be appetizer for a friend or a family member. Somebody is visiting you. You can make this just so quick, and you have something for them to have. This is for family. You can make this in big portion if you're having a big family coming or friends visiting. You can make this yourself. Well, as you can see, we are done with our fruit salad. You can see this looks so lovely, and this can be very presentable to any group of friends and families that you are having over. And I hope this gives you any idea of doing a fruit salad or fruit salad recipes. You can add as much as fruit you want, and it doesn't matter how many fruits you add in here. You can add raspberry, black grapes. You can add that as well. So your creativity is limitless to what you can do with your fruit salad. You can add as much fruit you want in there just to make it your own. I hope this video helps you in any way, and if it does, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me, and I'll get back to you as always. I thank you for watching my videos, and go ahead and try this and leave a comment for me to see how you like yours and what else did you add to your fruit salad or fruit salad recipe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.